So guys, One Key Car Garage here again. Today we are tackling the 2002 Acura RL, and we've ran into a famous issue where the car intermittently shuts off. So did a little research and it appears to be the famous ignition switch. Alright, this one I was able to grab from AutoZone, and that is a part number LS902, and this is a part. And just to be mindful, this is not the tumbler. This part sits behind the tumbler and plugs into the fuse box. Alright guys, so this one is a beast of a job because it's all upside down. I've gone ahead, spared the detail, popped the lower cover or kick panel, pop that off. Alright, to gain some access. Further complicating this job for me is that this car is equipped with a aftermarket remote start and an alarm system. Alright guys, so no funno. So this is under the steering column here, and when I was trying to research this job, most of the tutorials were on the TL, the Acura TL, which is a different setup as far as getting the covers off and everything. But this one seemed to be a little more snug, if I'm not mistaken. And the part we're talking about here, if you follow the ignition module here, it is gonna be this part right here. Alright guys, it's held in by a Phillips head screw, and that part, sorry for the visual guys, traces back under the steering wheel, over and under, and becomes this brown plug right here guys. Further complicating that is that this aftermarket alarm seemed to have tapped into some of the wires, existing wires, and this seemed to be some type of sensor wire that actually goes over here like that. Alright guys, so I'm going to spare you the the drudgery of this one, and get back with you on the other side and let you know what I've found. Okay, so this is the ignition switch. So guys, we are back, and seem like we have some power here. Battery's back on, but guys, look at all the stuff that was plugged into this. I realized that the when I unhooked, I did not remove the original ignition switch. As you can see, that's still right here. Okay, tapped into that ignition switch are a bunch of modules, etc., for the aftermarket alarm and remote start. So all I did, that piece that we got from the hardware store, I just hooked that up It's just 2 screws, and she sits right here. That was just 2 screws. All right. And that wire, I just routed it up under here. As you can see, this is the original ignition switch plug that plugs into the fuse box right there. So we just bypassed all of that, guys, and plugged the new one in. Just routed that wire up and through here and bypassed all of this aftermarket stuff, which I'm not sure how it's going to affect it, but we're going to go ahead, give her a start. As you can see, everything is not back. Well, the trim pieces are not back yet, but we're going to go ahead, give her a start. All right, she fires right up, guys. That's a good sign. She fires right up. Sorry about that. I'm running on a charger battery here for this phone. All right, so that's it. All those lights were there before, you know, the ABS, etc. All those were there before, guys, so nothing new. Seems like it will go in drive and reverse. All right, guys, so we're gonna take this out for a ride, and probably in another video get back with you as to what we found as far as bypassing all those aftermarket wires. All right, guys, and it wasn't that bad. I did not fight with trying to get the original ignition switch out because it was attached to all those modules and everything. Additionally, I didn't feel like being bothered with you know, routing through that tight spot to get it out, so I just left it there. It's going to be tucked away, nobody's going to see it. The new one is in. It's everything seemed to be firing so far. So all right, guys, anything significant, I'll let you guys know and follow up with you on it, but I believe this is a success so far. All right, the locks work, everything works, guys. So windows work, you know, so that's it. One Key Car Garage signing off. Another successful one. Adios.